Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll introduce app. It's called OnePay mobile banking. So meet your money super app. Through OnePay you can bank, send, pay, spend and borrow, plus build credit and earn cashback rewards. So you can see here the name of the app. It's called OnePay mobile banking. And if you see here the quick statistics about this app, you can see here 4.8 ratings out of 5 and 199k reviews, and here you can see more than 5 million plus already download this app. So let's see the main feature about this app. So if you tap here, better money trusted by millions, so you can see here the interface is really nice. Banking that builds your credit, banking that skips the monthly fees, so 3% cashback on Walmart dining or gas, your money, your move, invest with as little as $1. So if you have the $1, then you can invest. Crypto with confidence, so you can do the cryptocurrency here also. Unlimited cash back credit card, so you can get the unlimited cashback and up to 5% cashback in Walmart. So this all about. So OnePay is a financial technology company, not a bank. Banking services provided by Coastal Community Bank or lead bank member FDIC. So you can see here many people give the ratings and reviews, but overall the rating is 4.8. It's really nice. The you can see their reviews, customer reviews, like they criticize and they talk about the app interface, app navigation. It's all about, so you can try.